Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to talk about one of my favorite remedy, that is homeopathic medicine for skin diseases, that is arsenic halb. Myself Dr. Megha from Yogic Homeo Science. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, like and save my video and also share my video for the necessary people. And also don't forget to press on the bell icon so that whenever I put a new video you will be notified. Moving on to the homeopathic medicine for the skin symptoms. Whereas you will be wondering why this doctor is been doing so much of arsenic alb videos, but arsenic alb covers almost all the diseases in our body. So I really want to talk it because I use arsenic alb repeatedly. At least in one day, one patient will receive arsenic alb. That much repetition I do it because it is mostly indicated and it's not confused because it comes from an mineral kingdom. So without any delay, let's move on to the arsenic alb. It is one of my favorite. One of my teacher used to say you are just like arsenic alb, but after a detailed case study they said that no, you're not. But I am so kind of attracted towards the arsenic alb also. Arsenic alb is an white oxide of arsenic, where it covers so much clinical that almost all kinds of diseases, almost 60 to 70% of the diseases the arsenic alb covers. And it can also gives the amelioration or palliative treatment. And the cure is also given in some cases but not overall. We'll be talking about the keynote symptom, mind symptom and the general. What is the constitution? Means the physical makeup of the patient. The patient is lean, thin, having Hippocratic face, dirty, waxy look on the skin. But they are very fabulous, wants everything neat, clean and in order. They are very chilly patient and they have very much fear of death because they think that they are suffering from incurable diseases and the medicines are useless and the doctor is useless and they are going to die one day. Mentally restless but physically too weak. Burning pain revealed by heat except in the head. Great prostration is seen. Gastric derangement such as diarrhea, vomiting due to the food poisoning. Complaints written periodically, just like intermittent fever. All discharges are acrid, scanty, dark and offensive with offensive odor, just like rotten egg. Thirst for small quantities of water. This is very peculiar. Thirst for small quantities of water at short intervals. This is very peculiar in the arsenic alb. Thirst for small quantity of water at short intervals. Another drug comes, that is thirst for small quantity of water at longer intervals. In acute states, but in chronic state there is no thirst. This is also peculiar. Thirst for small quantity of water at short intervals in the acute state. But when it is in the chronic diseases or in the chronic state, there is no thirst, absence of thirst. For acute or chronic, you should be differentiating it. Cannot bear the smell or the sight of the food. All symptoms are aggravated at the midday and the midnight. This is also peculiar. Midday aggravation, midnight aggravation, and ameliorated by heat except head. What is the mind symptom? Depressed, irritable, extremely restless and anxious. There is great fear of death and gold-headed cane patient always wants everything in order and he always thinks of some imaginary things and he always thinks that okay, I did something bad for them or they did something bad for me. Dreams are full of sorrow and fear. Depressed, indifference, anxious, fearful. Moving on to the Skin symptoms of the arsenic alb. Why arsenic alb is indicated in the skin symptom? Skin has a white pasty look with painful black eruption. This is important. Whatever may be the indications, the skin is covered with black eruptions, you go for arsenic alb. There may be some eruption from the heat of the from the heat also. There will be burning pain, and whenever there is an eruption on the head of the foot, you can just think of arsenic alb. There is burning and itching followed by pain after scratching. Pimples burn violently, causing intolerable anxious, drowsy, local or dropsy, local or general with weakness. Burning pain is there all over the skin symptoms. Very offensive discharge is also seen because arsenic alb, even the sweat is very offensive. All the discharges are offensive, just like the rotten egg, which can be hot and burning also, but revealed by hot applications. This is common. And in gangrene, there is burning pain which is revealed by heat. This is one of the peculiar symptoms. So, the patient who has come with me for the eczema treatment, psoriasis treatment, or the urticaria, I had given the arsenic alb, and they had shown the wonders of results. The burning is severe. That time I had given it in 30 potency, repeated daily 4 doses. So they had taken it and they had found really betterment after taking the arsenic alb. When the most indicated remedy like sulfur is most indicated for the arsenic alb, I had given sulfur, but the burning is not controlled. That time I intermittently give arsenic alb. That time it also has given me the relief. I had also given it for the boils on the gluteal region or on the thighs or on the hands, feet, everywhere. It has also kind of relieved. And I had also given it for the pimples on the face, which is very red, burning, hot to touch, and itching at the night. That I had given. Urticaria is also I had given. It has shown wonders and wonders of result, guys. If anyone is suffering with any kind of skin diseases, you can just go for the arsenic alb if the symptoms are matching. Moving on to the general modalities, aggravation factor, of course, midday, midnight, and cold drinks and cold food lying on the affected side with head low. Amelioration factors are from the eat in general, hot drinks, hot application, motion, and company and rest. And whenever even the skin complaints, if the skin is also feeling hot and the eruption is also hot, then too if you apply the hot application like hot water, they put on the eruptions and they feel better for half an hour, the itching is better. That time it is unstriking kind of thing that it is indicating the arsenic alb. You just go for arsenic alb. Just close your eyes, just take arsenic alb, that's all. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe, and don't forget to press on the bell icon so that whenever I put a new video you will be notified. Bye bye.